In the realm of business management software, Sage Intacct stands out as a powerful cloud-based financial management system. Known for its robust accounting features and real-time visibility into financial performance, businesses often wonder about its capabilities beyond core financials. A key question that arises, particularly for service-based organizations, is, does Sage Intacct have project management functionalities? The answer is a nuanced yes, but with important considerations. While Sage Intacct is primarily a financial management platform, it does offer a dedicated project accounting module that equips businesses with essential tools for managing project finances. This module goes beyond basic accounting to provide features specifically designed for tracking project costs, revenues, and profitability. However, it's crucial to understand the scope of this module and how it compares to dedicated project management software. Think of Sage Intacct's project accounting module as a financially focused lens on project management. Its core strengths lie in its ability to seamlessly integrate project-related financial data with the overall accounting system. This integration provides a holistic view of project performance and its impact on the company's bottom line. One of the key features of the project accounting module is its robust project costing capabilities. It allows you to track various types of project costs, including labor, materials, expenses, and subcontractors. You can define cost codes, allocate expenses to specific projects, and monitor actual costs against budgets in real time. This detailed cost tracking is invaluable for understanding project profitability and identifying potential cost overruns early on. Furthermore, Sage Intacct enables effective revenue management for projects. It supports different revenue recognition methods, such as percentage completion, time and materials, and fixed fee. This flexibility allows you to accurately account for project revenue based on the specific terms of your contracts. The system also facilitates the creation and management of project invoices, ensuring timely and accurate billing to clients. Time and expense management is another crucial aspect covered by the project accounting module. Team members can record their time spent on projects and submit expense reports directly within the system. This streamlines the process of tracking billable hours and reimbursable expenses, reducing administrative overhead and improving accuracy. The system often includes approval workflows to ensure proper authorization of time and expenses. Sage Intacct also provides valuable project reporting and analytics. You can generate various reports to gain insights into project profitability, cost variances, resource utilization, and billing status. These reports provide crucial data for project managers and stakeholders to make informed decisions and take corrective actions if needed. The real-time nature of the data ensures that you always have an up-to-date view of project performance. However, it's important to acknowledge what Sage Intacct's project accounting module doesn't offer in comparison to dedicated project management software. While it excels in financial aspects, it typically lacks advanced features for task management, scheduling, resource allocation, beyond cost, collaboration, and detailed progress tracking. For instance, you won't find Gantt charts for visual project scheduling or sophisticated tools for assigning specific tasks and dependencies to team members within the core project accounting module. While it tracks labor costs, it doesn't provide granular insights into individual resource availability and workload management in the same way a dedicated project management tool might. Collaboration features, such as integrated communication tools or document sharing within the project context, are also generally not a primary focus. Therefore, the suitability of Sage Intacct for project management largely depends on the specific needs of your organization. If your primary focus is on managing the financial aspects of projects, tracking costs, revenues, and profitability, and you require seamless integration with your accounting system, then Sage Intacct's project accounting module can be a powerful asset. However, if your projects demand more intricate task management, detailed scheduling, resource planning, and collaborative features, you might need to consider integrating Sage Intacct with a dedicated project management software. Many such integrations exist, allowing you to leverage the financial strengths of Sage Intacct while benefiting from the comprehensive project management capabilities of a specialized tool. This approach can provide a best-of-both-worlds solution, ensuring both financial control and efficient project execution.